Having a scratchy or crackling tone pot in your guitar is pretty common. It's going to happen to most electrics over their lifetime, and you don't always have to jump to replacing it. So I'm going to show you the first line of defense against that. I'm Dave with Stringing It Together, and let's dive in. So I have a whole video on how potentiometers function, which I'll link to here. But just real quick understanding of why you need to do this is that this knob is attached to a metal strip in here. And if you can imagine that contact point, you know, sort of like the needle of a record player, if there's any dust on there, it's going to get crackly. So before you jump to replacing the pot, you can just spray some cleaner in there because that will typically fix any issues and it'll just save you time and money. And there's a lot of debate about what to use for that. Deoxit is what a lot of people recommend, but there's a lot of different kinds. And there's a whole video in there, which maybe I'll link to as well. But what I just use is this CRC electronic cleaner. It's just a contact cleaner. And you know, it's fairly basic. It's specifically made for contacts, and this one ran me about $13 Canadian at a hardware store, so that's what I go to. And basically all you're going to be doing is spraying it. There's a little hole in here. I'll show you on this one. I'm not going to spray it because this is a new pot, but there's a little hole in there for you to get that spray in there, okay? So that's the purpose of that hole. So very simply, all you have to do is find that hole in the top, make sure that the nozzle is stuck right in there, and you really don't need much, just a tiny little squirt. And then you want to turn the knob to work that in there all the way around. You can actually see it turning through that slot. So let's test it out here. It still has a bit of a slight crackle, but I kind of wish I did a before and after, but it's about 80% better. Before I was crackling all the way. So, you know, it depends on your tolerance. I might swap that out. Depends on what the customer wants, but it's a very good way. I think if I had caught it before, you know, if you catch it when it's just starting to crackle, then you can usually nip that in the bud and before it gets damaged, before you have to replace your pot. So hopefully you found that helpful. And if you want to learn more about wiring in general, I have a whole series on YouTube along with a downloadable guitar wiring cheat sheet that you can get for free. I'll put that in the link in the description below. And that's all for now. I'll see you next week.